We all wish to grow vegetables and enjoy fruit trees in our gardens. What we don't want is costly chemical fertilizers, or having to create compost with so much effort and too little reward. HomeBiogas is the ultimate solution for people who want to live more sustainably. Mineralize your waste to enjoy effortless fertilization. Yeah, it's not just producing gas. Now, more than ever, you can start recycling household waste to create nutritious garden fertilizer by throwing organic food scraps into the appliance. Inside the container, the food scraps are broken down anaerobically by the microorganism methanogens, while the methane rise drains upwards and stored in the gas tank above. Plant essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are being created in the fluid, which are then pushed out to the container and become an excellent organic fertilizer for irrigating your private garden and even your neighbors. The system can produce an average of 100 liters of liquid fertilizer per month. Complete an ecological cycle in your backyard with an odorless process. Relax, be ecologic, save money. HomeBiogas, not just for cooking gas.